Hi, good day. This is the 1979 Jeep Quadra-Trac we have up for sale. Let's back a little bit. There we go. It's located right here in the Bay Area, just outside of Concord. Do a walk around. Got this big tree that kind of left some little twigs and such on it, but that's how it goes. Okay. Inside. Don't mean to get anyone dizzy with the video. Show a little peek underneath. We got new exhaust. I got the receipt up here from the shop. What they did. Here's inside back. Rear seat. And you can see the headliner needs to be put back up in here. I guess you could screw it. Usually they glue, but these are a little heavier duty. Here's the receipt for the work done here. It was done on, when was it done? 6/22/2021. So you can see we got we got the carburetor, drive shaft work. They put new exhaust on it. Looks like it was a total of $2,300 on this receipt right here. Let's see here. I gotta pull a string for opens. Glove box area. It indicates 5436 miles. Couldn't get the radio to work. I'll show you the hood's up here. I'll show you the engine up here. Let's see. Well, I think this is how you open it. Yep. I gotta put the phone down. Oops.